Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to set up the Nitho Drive Pro V16 gaming wheel for your laptop or gaming console. I will guide you through every step so it works perfectly. I have already done a review of this gaming wheel. You can find that video link in the description or at the end of this video. Inside the box you will find the wheel, pedals and a bunch of cables and parts. Make sure you have a clear space to work and get your tools ready. You will need a table to attach the gaming wheel. First, connect the base holders to the gaming wheel and attach them to the table. If your table is smooth, you don't need the base holders. Just place the wheel on the table and the suction cups will keep it in place. They are really good at gripping. Next, connect the cable from the pedals to the gaming wheel. Don't connect it to the laptop's internet port. It goes into the gaming wheel. Once everything is put together, connect the gaming wheel to your PC or console using the cables that came with it. For PCs, you will also need to install drivers and software. Plug the Type A cable from the gaming wheel into your system. To install the latest drivers, go to the Nitho website and download them. After installing, open the software and calibrate your wheel. This just means setting it up so it works correctly in your games. Search for Setup USB game controllers on your PC. A window will pop up showing if the gaming wheel is connected. If it is, you will see it listed. If not, try plugging the cable into another port. Normally, this shouldn't be a problem. Click on Properties to check if everything is working properly. You can test things like rotation, vibration, and pedal intensity. This helps make sure your gaming wheel is working well. For actual gaming, you shouldn't have problems if you are not using the Steam. If you are using Steam, you might need to restart your device with all cables connected if there are any issues. Don't disconnect anything before restarting. After restarting, open the game settings in the game which is in Steam, and the wheel should be recognized. Just remember to connect the gaming wheel before you start Steam. That's it. Now you can enjoy your gameplay. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and reviews. If you have questions or tips, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Here is the full review of this gaming wheel and another gaming wheel from different brand.